Hello everybody, Robert here again with more Revit training, and we continue on with this small church project. But I had a question. I've been working on this little project. We did our plumbing. I had a question about distribution systems. How do you create a distribution system? Now, we need to look at three things here for a distribution system. So what I'm going to do here, I did create, I'm working on this little project. I did create some drawings. So I'm going to take us down to my, over here in the project browser for this project. Let's go down to our power plan. That's a good one. So this is our power drawing here. Just tab these views. So this is our power plan now, and then we got an electrical panel here. Probably should have skipped around, but anyway, what happens is on the systems tab here on the electrical, so your electrical tab here, you got your cable tray. You hit this little arrow. Come on. Now these are electrical settings. You can see a variety of different things you can do here. Your wiring, your conduit, and I think cable tray. Yeah, everything's here for your electrical settings. Now, how you create a system is the first thing you want to do. You want to highlight your voltage definitions here. And these have to be in place. You have to set these up sort of like you got 120, 208, 277, and then you have your values here. And then, if you want to add something, you just hit add, and then you go on to the next one. But I don't want to add any because I've done this already. Okay, so now the next thing you want to be remain in that. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to close that. And you want to go back to your, okay, these are definitions here. Now these are your distribution systems. And they work in the same way. Basically, you have your 120, 208, your 120, 208, and 480, 477, and then again, you do the same thing. If you want to add another one, you just select add, and then you put in that do system, okay? I want to cancel that now. And that's basically how you do it. Now, then from that point on, say, let's go and look at our panel here. We've got an electrical panel here, and say I want to select this panel, and then go to my properties, and there's all the information with regard to this panel. Now, one other thing that's very important I need to do here, we want to name this guy. Okay, now I can do this over here. I want to cancel this out. Sorry folks. Grab this guy, and I want to give him a name. Yeah, I want to name this LP1 or whatever, but normally this is kind of the standard what they do. LP1, and then I want to apply that, and okay. And that's basically it. That's how you create this system. So now I'm gonna select this guy now. In here, want to give this a panel name. Where is it at? Oh my goodness, did I save it? My bad. Okay, there's my distribution system for that panel, and then here I didn't give it a name. Oh, really? I thought I did that over here. So let's try this one more time. Oh my goodness. Is there another way you do this? So, panel. There it is. Okay, general. Interesting. Let's select this guy. Okay, now here are my electrical circuits here. Okay, that's good. Now panel name. I'm gonna place it here. Should that'll work? LP-1. Okay, now there you go. Wait a second. Hold on a minute. Now I'm seeing it here. That's LP1. That's the one I wanted. And so I'm hovering over this. Okay. Edit this type. Cancel that there. But anyway, this is basically what happens here. But that's your distribution system. It's just a matter of your, again, your electrical settings here. Go on to systems, and then in my electrical settings here, and then I want to go to my voltage definitions. These are, you set these guys up, and then you go in your distribution system. They got a 120, and then your wires. Okay, wow, it's got to fix some stuff in here. Then okay. And then here, that's basically how you do that. It's simple as that. So I'm going to select this panel right here now. Okay. I don't see why. Man. Okay. So we got a little stuck here. That is LP1. Yep. So I'm gonna leave it there, but that's basically how it's done. Let me see. There's a, oh, there it is. Panel name LP1. And this is all of the voltage information. So that's basically how you do that. Now then you can make, also, you can create a power system, and it's basically, it's close to the same. I'm gonna just run through this briefly, right quick if I can. What happens is you'll select a panel here, and then you want to pick up all your receptacles and create a circuit. But I'm gonna leave it there. Make sure I get it right next time for you guys. And yeah, somebody just had a question about distribution system, and it's here in the electrical settings. So you gotta go over here, and then where it says distribution, and then we're gonna do a few more things with electrical here. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. So now, thanks for the questions. Because I had to learn them myself. So hey y'all, be safe and take care, and happy holidays. Bye.